Hey there, welcome to LifeNoggin. Growing old is a fact of life, or is it? What if I told you that it's possible to stay young forever? No, this isn't some infomercial for my new cosmetics line, Pixel Face, though my skin does look flawless if I do say so myself. No, I'm talking about biologically staying young forever. Is modern science navigating its way to the fountain of youth? Grab your compass and, well, we're gonna find out. Let's start by looking at why we age in the first place. When your DNA replicates, mistakes can be made that lead to changes in the DNA sequence. These mistakes are usually fixed, but sometimes they slip through the cracks, leaving your DNA damaged, and this decay has been directly linked to aging. If the damage gets too bad, the cell with that DNA will die or enter a process called senescence, which means it won't replicate. These non-replicating cells may speed up the process of aging by releasing inflammatory proteins. Even in their dead dormancy, these cells wear down your eternal economy, like that bully who keeps asking for your lunch money. Dang it, Triangle Bob, not again. One of the worst forms of DNA damage is with your chromosomes' telomeres. Telomeres are at the ends of your chromosomes, protecting the DNA. Most telomeres shrink every time their cell divides. And once they become too short, the cell dies or becomes one of those freeloading senescent cells. The rent is due, buddy. So maybe a way to stay young is to simply find a way to replenish the telomeres? Well, every cell in your body actually has the genetic code to do this, but the answer isn't that simple because most of your cells don't replenish their telomeres to protect the body from cancer. Your cell's mitochondria may also hold secrets for delaying the aging process. You remember those, right? Say it with me now. The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. That's at least one thing I remember from high school. Still don't know how this thing works. They never taught me. Anyway, it seems as though the right amount of stress and oxidation to your mitochondria is key to staying younger. The theory used to be that all the free radical damage to your mitochondria would cause you to age faster. However, due to recent studies, stressing your mitochondria seems to actually extend your lifespan. This is provided that the damage isn't too severe. I guess what doesn't kill you truly does make you stronger. But maybe we can learn something from another animal, like the immortal jellyfish. As a survival method, the jellyfish can leap back to when they were a baby. They do this through transdifferentiation, where their adult cells can revert back to an entirely different cell. But what if we just became vampires instead? Well, it's actually less science fiction than you think. Researchers were able to surgically join mice with younger ones so that the pair shared the same blood circulation. By having the younger blood flow through their body, age-related heart conditions in the older mice were actually reversed. Maybe Dracula was onto something here. So what do you think? Would you want to stay young forever? Let me know in the comments below. Scientists are always looking for new ways to increase the lifespan of you humans. One way is genetic modification. To learn how this works, make sure you check out this video. And these sequences are vital to that organism's immune system. See, if a virus invades a bacterial cell, that virus's genome or complete set of DNA contains the information to keep replicating. And if the bacterium wants to survive, that replication needs to stop. And therefore, its immune system needs to destroy the viral genome. There's a link in the description if you're on mobile. As always, my name is Blocko. This has been LifeNoggin. Don't forget to keep on thinking.